Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Scenery on the Cheap. First of all, just let me apologise if it sounds kind of echoey. I'm having to do this in my kitchen because currently in Cumbria it is really cold. So my shed slash workshop, it's very cold in there. So I'm having to do this indoors. But yeah, so this is my brand new channel. The premise of this channel is just showing you how to build stuff for your wargaming armies relatively cheap. So if you like building scenery, but you don't have, a very large budget, I'll show you what I use. And everything I'm about to show you was either everything I already had, or it cost no more than £5. So I'll just go a few bits now. The first couple of bits, hopefully, you'll already have. But obviously, pencil, a couple of rulers. There's a 12-inch and there's a longer 20-inch metal ruler. Balsa wood offcuts. They're very good, very flexible, easy to cut with a sharp knife. Now these bamboo skewers, I bought these in a pack of 100, I believe, in my local kind of cheap crafting style shop. They were £1. And these, say just little jewel stickers, they were only £1. Lots of these. Lots and lots of them, as you can see. Hopefully, I've gone out of order here, I apologise for that. Hopefully you'll have a pair of scissors. Now, I got this long time ago. This is just a little file. Focus, please. It's struggling to focus. Anyway, it's just a little file, but of course you can use just a regular nail file. Some little needle nose pliers. Now, a stapler occasionally comes in handy. For a future video, I'll show you the reason behind it, and obviously staples. Again, matchsticks. These were bought for a pack of, I didn't count them, lots, but they were £1.50 in the same crafting shop as the skewers. Now, I got lucky with these. These are coffee stirrers. And I did have a friend that worked in a, I won't say which one just in case, that worked in a popular coffee shop. So, I said, do you have any spare? And obviously I paid for them. He didn't just say, yeah, backhander. So I put some money towards them. Now this is just a little top of a jar. And all I use it for is just to put a little bit of water in, just to either dampen my brush or just to clean it off. So hopefully you'll have a top of a jar somewhere. PVA glue. Now this isn't the best stuff, but again, working to a budget here. So this big tub, how big is it? 1 litre. As you can see, £4. You can probably find it cheaper elsewhere, but you know, I was just in the craft shop and I was like, oh, a litre of PVA. These are oregano leaves. And as you can see, they make very good foliage. And again, already had that. But that can be bought very cheaply. Wool. This was, I think, £1.50. And if you ever want to make like rope or vines, very good for that. Just a generic noodle cup. You can store paints in or upside down and hey presto, you got the beginning of something. But I tend to keep things when probably I should just chuck them out. Spray paint. This cost £2.99. Again from the same craft shop. It's good for plastic, cardboard, but just I don't use it with polystyrene as it will melt. So you have to coat the polystyrene first, and I suggest just painting it with regular acrylic paint. But once it's covered, you should be safe to spray it. Now this, I'm sure you know what this is, but this is a hot wire cutter. I think this was actually, I've had this for a long time. I've only just started using it. I think this was actually £9.99, but you can find them cheaper. So just keep your eyes out. This is just a battery operated one. Now, polystyrene. This is the, I'm not sure which it is, but it's the one that's made out of all the little bubbles. It's not the best quality, and if you try to cut it with a Stanley knife, yeah, you're not gonna get very far. So ideally cut it with a hot wire cutter or get the better quality polystyrene, but that's very good for making sturdy structures. I got quite lucky with this. This stuff, I believe it's called foam board. As you can see, it's got a bit of foam in the middle, and each side is just paper. Now I tried tearing some off because I wasn't sure if this was the stuff where you could easily tear this paper off, but I believe it's the better quality stuff or the worst quality stuff where the paper easily comes off. But yeah, each sheet of this, I mean this is A4, this was £1.50, so very good stuff. Hot glue gun, £5, my local arts and crafts shop. And obviously if anyone has ever eaten cereal out of a cereal box, you'll realise the box is made of cardboard. So very good for very small structures, or even excellent for making tiles for roofs and other kinds of decorations. This is very useful stuff. All-purpose filler. As you can see, it's ready mixed. This was only £3.99, again from local arts and craft shop. And it's not a necessity, but I have a cutting mat. You can of course use just a regular chopping board, I guess. I'd suggest probably a plastic one. But yeah, if you're on a very limited budget, definitely, if you want to protect the surface you're cutting on, use a chopping board. Okay. Anyway, guys, I hope you like that. Just let me know in the comments what you think. If you'd like to see me build something, just drop a comment with a suggestion. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Bye for now, guys.